This is a quick guide to help you understand how to break down the meaning of the functional terms in functional anatomy. Here I have a few directional terms that I just picked out from your picture that you had in your notes and in your textbook. I took proximal, and the meanings of the words, you will find them, they have Latin meanings. And so proximal means nearness, nearest, vicinity. We would use proximal when we're talking about how things are organized within the body in different various systems. Distal, also a Latin word. It means to be distant. And so when we're talking about location of structures in various systems, that means to be distant away from the point of origin. And then we have dorsal. So dorsal, we'll find that here. It means towards the back or posterior to. So it could be used interchangeably. Dorsal means posterior. And then to add one that's not listed here, let's take ventral. Ventral means towards the front or anterior. So in anything, when we're dealing with our systems, our organ systems, we will be using directional terminology throughout the semester to locate structures, and the location of the structure may or may not tell us the specific function of that structure. Let's take here the major regions, the anatomical terminology. Most of them have Latin origin. So you'll be responsible for looking up the meanings of the words. A lot of terminology in anatomy is the terminology, cannot be changed. Some things have more of layman's terms. And so I picked out a few from your picture that you have in your lecture notes. So I pulled this out of your lecture notes. Also, I pulled this out of your book. So this is just a picture, surface anatomy of the human body. And I just picked out a few structures that would depict or explain what those words mean. They're also explained on the picture itself, so you can look through your lecture notes, you can look through your textbook, and you'll see all of this. But I just picked out a few of them. Buccal means cheek, cephalic means head, cervicus means neck, abdominis means belly, pectoralis means breastplate, brachialis means arm, and femur means thigh. So throughout the semester, each section or each organ system, we will be pulling out particular terms. There are key terms in the beginning of your book. So every lecture or every section or unit in your book have key terms on the first page. And so hopefully some of these key terms would help you if you looked up the origin of the word.